Hi everyone, this is Deb. Welcome back. And I am here with hashtag Pink Ribbon Challenge. This is hosted by Jean at Jean's Gems. And this is for Cancer Awareness Month because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I decided to participate in this. It is 4 days a week throughout the month of October, Monday through Thursday, and each day we have a different prompt. So for October 7th, the prompt is index card. And I have already made my piece. I made it while I was watching a live yesterday. I used one of these pink bows I had from March 2024 at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale. I also used these cookie stencils, which had been gifted to me from Paige, and I had never used them. Paige was STMPGRL, Stamp Girl, here on YouTube, but she is not making videos as far as I know anymore. And I used this napkin, which had been gifted to me by someone named Abril. Uh, Abril Martinez. I hope she didn't mind me saying that. From 2019. I guess I won it or I did a swap or something. I can't remember. But this was beautiful and it had pink and I love butterflies and it has a little pink in it too. So I decided to do a little mixed media on my, and these two washies that I used in my planner last week were still out on my desk and I used them. I didn't use this one, however, which I really want to finish, so maybe on the next project or something. But here's what I made. It is an index card. I ended up cutting a little off. You can see this is shorter than a normal top there. And I might have cut off just a little bit on the side, so it's slightly smaller than 4 by 6 now. And what I did is I first put down a piece of scrap pink that I had from the National Coffee Day. That was from a Michael's. I think it's a Recollections, one of those paper pads that has all the different shades of pinks and beige and stuff. And then what I did is I stamped using, I stenciled using Kitsch Flamingo. I was going to use Tattered Rose, but it was too faint on that pink paper. And I used both. There's two designs, this one and this one, and I just went upside down, right side up, all over. You can kind of see it peeking through here throughout. And then I also stamped, oh gosh, that was a Dollar Tree stamp. One sec. Which one? Okay. It's a Dollar Tree stamp. It's this one that has like a postage thing on it. It's just script and it's stained purple, I guess, from when I did my purple journal. But anyway, I used tea dye and I stamped with that. I don't usually stamp with oxides. Then I had to let that dry completely because that pink paper doesn't you have to let it dry. It's probably better to use an ink like a solvent ink like StazOn or something like that on that particular paper. Then I used Mod Podge matte because I have it. It's about half full still, I think. Yeah, about up to there. So I want to keep using that. I have gesso on my desk too, but it's actually I think it's a clear gesso. And I don't really love that either, but it's semi-opaque acrylic primer is what I have. But I used the Mod Podge and I put it down first just on this part of the card. Then I laid the napkin on, smoothed it out, and then I put another layer of Mod Podge on the whole thing. So even though it's matte, it's a little shiny. Then I had this area over here with nothing on it, and so that's when I decided to put the two washies side by side, and then this scrap was laying around here. It was a piece already cut off, and I glued that down with art glitter glue, which I refilled one bottle, and I found, they were telling me on the live last night, get a funnel. I think this funnel will work. I found this in my basement, so I'm going to try it. Yeah, I might not have to buy a funnel. And then I just adhered, the bows have, they have a little it says dimensional stickers. They have a little pop dot on the back, and I actually used a tiny bit of art glitter glue to help make sure I hold that down. And then I just went around the edge with the Kitsch Flamingo again, and that is it. I'm keeping it relatively flat except for the bow, the pink ribbon, because this will probably go in my one junk journal. What did I do with it? Oh, there it is. This is getting out of hand in my room, this journal, because I think even though it's not the same paper, I think it'll go nicely in here somewhere. So I'm going to hold off till the end of the month and do a summary of everything I made for this, and then I'll decide what to do with everything. Whether I do giveaway of some things or decide to use some things like that, probably. Yeah. All right, so that's it for October 7th. I hope you enjoyed my index card. I made this one shorter since some of my other ones were a little longer. Tomorrow, come back and see what we're making. It's not really a surprise. So I'll just tell you actually, Tuesday the 8th is Rolodex card, or Memory Dex card, you might know them as. October 9th, which is Wednesday, is a cluster, which can be fabric or paper or a combination of both. And that one, I don't know why that word cluster trips me up, but I'm going to do a cluster. And then October 10th is a beaded dangle, and I really want to do that anyway. So, yeah, I will see you very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.